Hi, and welcome to another trading series on how to pass prop firm trading challenge with live trading examples to boost your confidence, increase your accuracy and profitability. In today's video, we're going to jump right into live trading environment to see how far we've gone with our trade. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alrighty guys, you can see how the trade is going so far. From my last trade, I eventually dropped again as you noticed. It came down to the 160 level. That was yesterday. And you can see that we are totally back in profit and made an extra $60 in addition. This is 293 as the case presents itself now. And how was I able to take this decision? The process wasn't difficult, as you can see. Starting from here, I guess it was yesterday. So having dropped a little, I had to sit back and reanalyze my psychology. You know, being a technical trader, if you check from the beginning of this series, my first 7 trades were all in profit, 7 consecutive profits. And moving on, for the last 2 weeks, I had to, come back from losses a couple of times. So I was trying to, review where all of this was coming from. So I realized because I allowed myself to be influenced by, external factors such as the news and other trading community. From day 10 and day 9, I told you I was anticipating a price move upwards, an upward surge. And I eventually, when I waited for it at this moment, I eventually changed bias to short because the support line was broken. And also, my bias was influenced by the news for the week, being that there were more, U.S. Major news, impact news coming in, and that of the GDP pair wasn't as much as expected, doesn't have much impact on the market. So, and price has been going south in favor of the GDP. And also, external factor from other trading communities saying that price will continue going down this week eventually made me, close my buy trade and started looking forward to selling before this sudden upward move I've been expecting came to be. And I was so not pleased because immediately I closed the trade, that was when this move came. So I took a time to review my trading psychology to know what was wrong with my system. And then I realized that I have recently allowed myself to be influenced by external factors, which I decided to correct. So as it stands, now I'm purely focused on technical analysis. I place my trade based on my conviction about the current movement of the market and I stick to it. That was what I did yesterday, and you can see the impact that I have made so far. First of all, I was anticipating the market to come down to this level at this point. So I placed my first trade was not $15. I guess this my first trade. Then it kept on moving. People were saying I could continue upward, and the market was in favor of the GBP pair. You can check from my previous video day 10 that I was anticipating the GDP pair to move upward, and then the impact wasn't significant. So I took out time to still continue my trade, and I held my position expecting the movement to eventually come down. And I opened it. I opened other successive trade, short trade to, bring the market down. I extended my stop loss from the first because I knew the price was going to come down, and I stuck with it. Mind you, I used proper risk management. All of the trade that I opened, if it eventually closed in loss, it wouldn't be up to the amount daily. It would exceed the daily drawdown limit for the day as stipulated by, my forex fund. So when you take your decision, be sure to follow the guideline as well. So I was able to close the 3 trade in profit, $51.23 and 15. So I then continued. I anticipated price moving upward, so I bought my trade. Didn't go as expected. So basically, at this point, the price was indecisive. So I resorted to, scalping, trading little by little based on the direction of the market. So I was able to close in all of this. So guys, you can see a dynamic trader should be able to know what to do with strategy or a system to put in place at any time, depending on the market situation. So that's what I would advise you stick with at all times. As it stands, I am currently scalping. Major news is coming by 1 p.m. in favor of the GDP pair, the USD pair. But then I am basically focusing on, technical analysis for me. So it works best. And this is how far we've gone, and I'm glad. Today is day 12 of the trading system, and we've been able to make profit close to 300 of the $400 profit target that was required. So I'll keep you guys posted. Ensure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on, other trading opportunities on this series and how it's going to eventually pan out. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video.